Over the past 25 years, what are some of the challenges that you guys have faced?
When we started around 2008, now we don't have the full idea. Let me be honest to you. From 2016 up to date, nobody can complain. We work with the client. Starting a business in Ghana is not easy. You have to be honest to yourself.
Currently here with Mr. Chimisi Ankara, and he's the general manager of NYD Classics, and he's here to share with us how the business operation is like over here. So when we talk about NYD, what's the meaning of NYD?
The NYD is the initials of my boss. Okay, that's Yaw Domina.
Okay.
It's a fabrication point where we do balustrade, main gates, bugger-proof, dry line, whatever, all kinds of metal works. But the main goal is the security doors.
You see, when we talk about security doors, we have like different types. So, like, what types of security doors?
We do solid metal security doors. Okay. Business is good. The shop is almost 25 years now. As for the doors, it started around 2008. Then from that time up to date, business is good. This is how we start our production. This is galvanized pipes. That's what we use to do the inner frame. We have the inner frame and then the outer frame. The outer frame goes into the concrete. The inner frame is where the keys and those things we set. So when we do the cutting here, then we do the framing.
Do you have like special tools that you use to cut the materials?
Yes. We have the cutting machines.
Very nice. And these materials, do you source it from Ghana here?
Yes.
Oh, wow. A lot of these companies, they import them.
Yes.
So sourcing it from
you
here.
See, one thing about NYD Classic Metals is we fabricate. So people will tell you, oh, you are doing the door here and it's expensive. All these materials are imported. Then we buy it from the market.
Okay.
We buy it from the market. So we just fabricate it to suit your measurement as well. So this is how the raw door frame is. Before we will do the filler works and then do the spraying. So it goes through a lot before you see it how
the beautiful doors.
Yes.
So over there is where the magic happens. Or
yes.
This is where the magic happens.
This is where the magic happens.
Okay. And that's where the magic is.
Yes.
Over the past 25 years, what are some of the challenges that you guys have faced?
Previously, the challenge was how to get the materials, the right materials. I'm talking about the security doors.
Yeah.
Because we want to make NYD security doors a household name. So, in terms of security doors, when we started around 2008, so many things happened. The way you go about it, how you do the doors, now we don't have the full idea. So our boss introduced so many ways of doing it. But now we have all the materials to do whatever we want to do.
Entrepreneurs, what they mostly face is staffing, right? Building team, how to manage those teams. So how do you guys manage your team?
You see, one thing about our business is here we train apprentices. So we have our apprentices, we have our masters, and then we have our boss behind.
What would you say the price range of the doors that you make?
Normally the price range, the normal single door, that's 3 feet by 7 feet, from 6,500 going, depending on the design that you want, and then customize. Somebody will tell you, I don't like this key, I like this one, do it like this, do it like that. All will depend on the price.
Okay, so you have a set design.
Yes. So the normal single door, that's 3 feet by 7 feet. 6,500 boy. And it's not about difference between the materials. No, the materials, they are all the same.
Okay.
They are all the same. Just like this door. This door like this is single door. By the height is 8 feet. I want it fan lights. I want it like this. Then the price, we will give you the price. A door like this, we will call it 1.5.
Okay.
Yes, this 4 feet by 7 feet. So if somebody calls you and said, I need a 1.5 door, 4 feet by 7 feet, this is how it is. So this one like this, the price is 9,000. Yes,
Wow. 9,000.
This one, if you want it black, white, any color that you want, the same price.
Oh, okay. It comes in different colors. Right?
Different
All
colors.
are the same price.
All are the same price. Because one, the metals are the same. The keys that we use, they are all the same.
Okay. But then, you know, some doors that I've noticed from outside, some of them have like these security cameras. I don't know, there's this small notch in it. Do you have doors like that too?
And that's why I said some of the doors are customized.
Oh, okay.
Because the door view, the puller, whatever you want, you add it, then you pay.
I just want to see how solid it is. Wow. Yeah. It's very, very solid.
This is pure metal. Pure metal. But the finishing, when you see it, it will feel like it's wood.
Yeah.
So this one like this, 1.5, 9,000.
Interesting.
Yeah. And then this another 1.5, the same price. This single door. This standard single door is 6,500.
So standard single door 6,500.
500.
And this one
9,000.
9,000.
So unfortunate with wrapping because the customer is ready for it. So when we are done, this is how we package our door.
Okay.
So this one too is 1.5, but this one opens one big full opening.
Okay.
So this one like this. That's why I said it's customized. So
However you want it.
yes, then we do it for you at a cost. You will not get it the same price as the normal 1.5. Yes.
Alright, so this one like this, what's the price?
From 10,000 upwards.
Okay.
Yes. 10,000. So you see the price difference. It's
Yeah.
not too much. And then
It's
you
really
see this
cool.
one. This one like this. This one is fan light. We will call it fan light. So where they will fix the door, they don't have any window that can bring sun shade. So we did this so that sun or whatever can go there, so that if maybe light off or something, so you can
Have
access your
ventilation.
light.
That's very nice.
This one is single door 8 feet. So this one is different from the other normal single door. NYD, when you come to us, we will discuss what and what do you want, how do you want your door. Then we share ideas before we start the door.
So basically, when you come, they'll sit down with you, discuss however you want your doors to look like, the design and everything. Then they'll be able to determine, okay, so this is how much it's going to cost and all of that. So have you had an issue with a customer where like the customer came to buy some of the doors, but then like he went home and he had an issue with it? Have you guys experienced
Like issue like what?
like let's say when he went there was a problem with the doors? Have you experienced something like that?
No, at first we experienced that, yes, because maybe they will have 1 or 2 issues when I'm locking, it's not locking.
Okay.
That was way back 2008, but now we don't have any issue about our doors or clients complaining. Let me be honest to you. Around 2011, when we have the Dunso challenge, yes, if somebody will give you an order, you give him a date, and maybe you don't have lights today, tomorrow, then time ranges. Okay, that one affects us more because of how they do so became a general issue. After that one, I think from 2016 up to date, nobody can complain that, oh, I've given NYD order and then they are delaying.
So what kind of business tools do you use? Like maybe whether you guys use Google My Business or like maybe other platforms like this?
Normally we use Facebook and then all the social medias.
Oh, okay, yes.
So one thing about now Ghanaian business, you can't sit at one place thinking that people will come to you. So you have rather go to them, explain to them what you do. Then if they buy your idea, you get a client.
Yeah. So let's say a customer orders something. We are talking about the business tools. Let's say a customer orders something. How would the customer be able to track the order? That okay, my order is at this point, is coming. Like, do you have something arranged?
No, ours is not like that.
Okay.
You make your order. You come to the shop or we send you designs. You pick one, we bargain.
Okay.
Then we take it from there. When we are done, you come and pick it at the shop. If you want us to transport it to your place, then you negotiate with the driver. So we work hand in hand with the client. It's not like we've done the things. So I need 2 single doors. Give it to a driver. When the driver comes, no, we don't do it like that. We work with the client. So any point in time, the client knows where we are. Now we are about to spray, we are fixing the keys, whatever we are doing, I will just give them the update.
So if there's someone out there who wants to start a business or who wants to do something like this, what's your advice you give to this person?
Oh, my advice is starting a business in Ghana is not easy. But first, you have to be honest to yourself. When you are honest to yourself, you can do the same to your client. And they have to be focused. That's all.
And if someone wants to reach out to NYD Classic Metals, how's the person going to reach out?
Oh, you can reach us on 0548 0555 94 or 020-826-7293. All the social media NYD Classic Metal works. We are located at Aviation Junction, Ashareboke. Yes, Aviation Junction, Ashareboke, or Third Gate.
Third Gate.
When you get to Third Gate, when you call us, we will direct you.
I'll put their numbers and their links in the description below. And then don't forget to call them. Anything that you want, they will do for you guys. So thank you very much.
Welcome.